Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that in last class we discuss our two rules of active voice and passive voice. But second rule is not completed. Okay, so in second rule we add more things. So write down second rule. Today we discuss part 2 of active voice and passive voice. Okay, rule 2 again means after that. So first rule we use at rule we did. Now we did. Now K N O W no or marry. These two words marry. This is marry. Okay. So no and marry if come. So and obliged also or obliged. So what we use in place of this? We use in place of by, we use TO2. What we use? 2. With these three words, we use in place of by 2. Clear? What we use? TO2. Now, write down some examples of this. We do not know him. This is our active voice. So, he is not known to us. Clear? Here do come. So, in place of do does what we use? Is MR that I told you in part 1. So, what we use here? He. In place of him what we use? He here. He is not. Now, no change into third form. Known. Clear? To us. In place of by, what we use with KNOW, no, marry or obliged. With these three words, what we use? TO2. Like we use at with surprise, shocked, alarm, disappoint. Same way we use these three words TO2. So, this is called the to rule. Okay. Now, next example write down. He displeased his teachers with his behavior. With his behavior. So, what is the answer? Displeased come. It means second form come. So, his behavior. So, what is the answer? Teachers, his teachers were displeased with his behavior. That displeased word also use if I don't write, if I forget in that table. His teachers were displeased. Sorry, this is the with use. Oh God, sorry, I forget. This don't write with this. Okay, this is another rule. I forget to write. I forget this. Now, write down another rule. In rule number 2. Okay, we included like. With displeased, what we use? Displeased with means इन words के साथ हम by की जगह क्या use करेंगे? With use करेंगे. Clear? So, displeased with, disgusted with, dissatisfied with, dissatisfied with, pleased with, okay, pressed with, decorated with, and thronged, decorated with, filled with, with. Filled with. If you don't say downside, listen carefully. By these words, in place of by, what we use? We use with these words. Displeased with, disgusted with, dissatisfied with, pleased with, praised with, decorated with, and filled with. With these words, what we use? With. Same as at or to. We use with these words. Now write down example of this. Now that example is of this rule. Now write down he displeased with his teachers. He displeased his teachers with his behavior. So what is the answer? His behavior were displeased, his teachers were displeased with, he displeased his teacher with his behavior. Okay, so what is the answer? His teachers were displeased with his behavior. So this is our active voice. Clear? So this way we use our with. Now next, interested. Okay, next word is interest. With this interest word, what we use? We always use in. What we use with interest? In place of by, we use with interest in. Clear? So write down example of in this interest. The movie does not interest her. The movie does not interest her. She is not interested. She is not interested in the movie. Simple. So what we use? With interest word, we always use in. Clear? So this is clear. So this is our rule number 2, almost completed. Rule 2 now completed. So बेटा by की जगह हमको at, in, with और to किस किस के साथ यूज करना है वो चीज हमें याद रखनी है. मीन्स आई राइट दैट वर्ड्स. ओके, एंड दैट ऑल्सो कम इन अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस. Clear? But I made separate rule of this. So don't be confused. Now, next write down rule number 3. Rule number 3 is what? WH rule. Rule number 3 is WH word rule. WH word rule. So what is the structure of WH word? Passive of WH words. Okay, passive of WH words. So what are the words? What, when, where, how much, how far, how much, how far, why, whose, how long, how after, how after, etc. If these type of words come, means जो भी वर्ड WH वर्ड से स्टार्ट होता है तो उसके लिए हमारा स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा, how we change active into passive voice. Okay, so for that our structure is WH word plus helping verb, WH word plus helping verb plus object plus be, being or been plus by plus noun and pronoun. This is our WH word structure. Remember this structure. Okay. First of all WH word same come which is in question. जो एक्टिव वॉइस में दे रखा है वो सेम WH वर्ड आएगा. हमको क्या करना है, एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस सॉल्व कैसे करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर. बस कुछ नहीं देखना, वो 3 टेबल्स लर्न करनी है, स्ट्रक्चर को माइंड में बैठाना है और फिर हमें ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप इजीली यू कैन सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन. ओके, हाउ यू सॉल्व नाउ, WH वर्ड कम फर्स्ट, देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन ऑब्जेक्ट, बी, बीइंग, बीन. अब ये मैंने बताया था कि बी किसके साथ यूज होगा, बीइंग किसके साथ यूज होगा और बीन किसके साथ यूज होगा. आफ्टर दैट बाय, आफ्टर दैट नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन. क्लियर? नाउ see one example how we use this. What do you want? What do you want? Now simple, this is our question. How we change into passive voice? This is our active voice. Now this how we change into passive. What same come according to structure, same come. What? Now helping verb. In place of do does, which helping verb we use? Is MR. So what is want is verb first form. So change this into third form. What is wanted by you? Simple. No doubt, no problem. Very easy. So according to structure only we can solve. What is wanted by you? Here no need to use be, being, been. ये तो हम कब यूज करेंगे, जब हमारे पास will shall होगा, जब हमारे पास ing होगा और जब हमारे पास has, have, had होगा, तब हम ये तीनों वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे. क्लियर? सो write down one more example of this. Why did you write a letter? This is our example. So why was a letter written by you? Simple. Same why come. Okay? Easy. Another example of WH word, write down. Another example, write down. How will you play a hockey match? Hockey match. Clear? Now here we use our be, being, been, because here what come? Will come here. तो हमको सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, हमको हर चीज को अलग कर लेना है. सब्जेक्ट को अलग करना है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब को अलग करना है और ऑब्जेक्ट को अलग करना है. इन सबको हमें सेपरेट कर लेना है. ओके, नाउ हाउ विल यू प्ले अ हॉकी मैच? सो हाउ सेम कम हियर. हाउ अ हॉकी मैच will be. how a hockey match will. अब will के साथ हमने क्या बोला था, will shall के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे, be यूज करेंगे. so how a hockey match will be played by you. Simple, no problem. So this way we use be, being, been here. Clear? So how a hockey match will be played by you? This is our answer. Okay, clear? Now how we change passive into active, that I tell you in another class, all sentences. Clear? So this is our second rule, WHO word, WH word rule. Here our third rule, that is WH word rule. Passive of WH word is completed here. Any doubt? Now next rule is our next we write rule of who, fourth rule, that is passive of who. अब बेटा क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि मैम हु भी तो WH वर्ड है, तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग कि WHO हु का एक सेपरेट रूल है, दैट इज रूल नंबर 4. हु का अपना एक अलग रूल है, सेपरेट रूल है. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज इन दिस. ओके, जहां भी हु आ जाएगा तो हमें हु की जगह क्या यूज करना है? by whom in place of passive voice. In case of passive voice we use by whom. Remember this thing, don't be confused. Okay, so in place of who what we use? By whom. This is a separate rule of who. Okay, so write down structure by whom plus helping verb plus object, by whom plus helping verb plus object plus be, being, been plus verb third form. This is our structure of who. Clear? Now write down example. Who has taken my mangoes? Who has taken my mangoes? Okay, so what we use in place of who? By whom. By whom my mangoes has been. By whom, sorry, helping verb come na first. By, according to structure, by whom has my mangoes been taken. Now see, very interesting example is this and very easy example. By this example you can easily understand. See, by whom, helping verb, object, been, verb third form, question complete. So this way you can solve. Okay, means follow this structure and then you can solve. You can easily solve all questions. तो सबके अपने अपने रूल हैं, तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. आप सेल्फ सॉल्व करना, ट्राई करना बुक की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करने के लिए और इन स्ट्रक्चर्स को अपने पास रख लेना, माइंड में बैठा लेना और लर्न दैट 3 टेबल्स. वो 3 टेबल जो हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो उनको बहुत अच्छे से याद करना है, तो आप अपने आप सारे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. इतना इजी एक्टिव पैसिव, कोई टफ नहीं है. नाउ हु stole the pen? By whom? Simple, by whom. Now stole is which form? Second form. तो अब सेकेंड फॉर्म आएगी तो हमें was verb यूज करना है, ये हमें पता है. तो by whom was the pen stolen? अब देखो कितना सिंपल हो गया. by whom, हेल्पिंग वर्ब हमने लगा दिया was क्योंकि सेकेंड फॉर्म थी. ऑब्जेक्ट हमने ऑब्जेक्ट भी लगा दिया द पेन और थर्ड फॉर्म भी हमने लगा दी. अब ये चीजें ये तीनों का यूज नहीं होगा तो हमने इनको छोड़ दिया. सिंपल. So any doubt about this? This who rule? This is also very important rule. Clear? More example, right? Who called Geeta? Who called Geeta? By whom was Geeta called? Simple. Clear? Who broke the table? By whom broke is second form. So was verb. By whom was the table broken? By whom was the table broken? Beta, if you not see board properly, so you listen carefully. Okay. For this example, who called Geeta? By whom was Geeta called? Who broke the table? By whom was the table broken? Clear? So these are the 4 rules. This now we discuss our according to tense, our all that at, in, with and to rule, and who rule, and this WH word rule. These are very important rules. Now remaining rules we will discuss in our next class. Okay. So what you all do, you all try to solve up to here your book exercise, so you can easily understand each and everything. So up to for today this is sufficient. Okay. So if we will discuss all rules together, so you all confused. So one by one, slowly we will discuss all rules, because this is our very important chapter. Clear? So try to solve. Okay. Now thank you and have a nice day, and you all do this in your fair note. Thank you.